All right, so doing the second oil change. As you can see, it's 752 miles on the odometer. And it looks pretty decent and clean. It's not foul whatsoever. Just got to go ahead and remove the filter. Draining the filter without making a mess. I could have taken this fender off. I did that on the first oil change just to have a look at how everything looks inside, but if I can't remove it or manage to install the new filter, I will definitely take this lower fairing off. It's a pretty straightforward job, very easy. Okay, so I managed to put back the oil filter. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's over here. So what I had to do was I just loosened these nuts in the fairing. Just took out these bolts, so it's easy for me to just go underneath it and then align and put up the filter right there. I just didn't torque it per se. I just used I hand tightened it and then went one turn in, and I managed to get that done too. And I also didn't go crazy on the bolt, on the sump nut. Just made it tight. I know there's a torque specification for that, but I don't want to go monkey crazy on that because I put the washer was good, so I know it's going to be good. So there it is, and that's the bad oil right there. It's not bad. I think the oil is about 400. I think I did about 350 to 400 miles max. The change I did was at 220 miles. That's my first oil change, and my second oil change was this one at 752. So my math must be slightly bad. Must be under just 400 miles. So that's pretty good. And the next oil change, I think I'm gonna push it to about 600 miles and then do another fresh change while I'm breaking in this new engine on this Kawasaki ZX-10R 2023. Yes sir. Thank you guys for watching.